G'day folks, Frank here from Lloyd's Classic Car Auctions. It's my honour to present this one here. It's the 1976 Holden HJ GTS Monaro, finished in the heroic colour of Jade Green metallic. It's full matching numbers. It is a stunner. Let's take a closer look. So folks, this one being a genuine matching numbers example, the Monaro represents an outstanding addition to any collection of enthusiast garage, a true piece of Holden motoring heritage. This HJ GTS had a bare metal rotisserie restoration completed in 2022, presented in its original Jade Green metallic 2-pack paint with new chamois interior, and includes factory aircon, dealer fitted power steering and power windows. It was originally sold in May 1976 through Pat Cullen's Garage, Liverpool, New South Wales. What an opportunity. So folks, this is lot 893 in the November Classic Car Auction, located here on the Gold Coast, our head office, 69 Manchester Road. Come on down and say hello, jump on to lloydsauctions.com.au. I'll see you at the auction.